What's up, YouTube? Listen, guys, Tesla up another 5%. Guys, we called this in last night's video about the move that it would make on today. And I just want to say major salute to anybody that took advantage of it. Matter of fact, guys, welcome to the family. Make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey if you haven't already. The one thing we do around here is teach you guys how to make money consistently, as well as learn how to trade so that you guys can scale your income. All right. With that being said, I have two things I want you to put on your watch list on today, guys. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, this is ticker symbol SCHD, otherwise known as a Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, currently sitting at $77.13 right now. That is neither here nor there. Okay, what I want to go to, guys, is the sectors that it represents. One being the financial sector, which make up 20%, almost 29%. Industrials, which makes up 16%, technology, which makes up 16%, healthcare, consumer defensive, consumer cyclical, communication services, energy, utilities, and basic materials. Guys, some of the top 10 holdings in here are Verizon, okay, Broadcom, all right, Merck, okay, Pfizer, okay, Cisco, Texas Instruments. Have you noticed, guys, none of these holdings makes up more than 5% of the weighting. Okay, it's something key about that I'm going to talk to you guys about momentarily, of why I want this to at least be on your watch list if you don't already have this already. Okay, you also got Coca-Cola in here, Pepsi, IBM, Home Depot. These are also some of your dividend aristocrats, for those of you that wants to make money in a passive way, for those of you that wants to be in the best of the best no matter what the market is doing and still get a dividend. This is one way to play it. Okay, the next one I want you guys to put on your watch list is the JEPI, JEPI, otherwise known as the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income. This one, at the time of this recording, is 5509. With both of these plays, I would like for you guys, if you add them to your watch list, that's number one. But if you don't have these already and you want to add them to your portfolio, okay, try to get them down 5% from here. Okay, so let another 5% move happen to the downside, and then you can begin to establish your position. And these are type of things you can hold for a lifetime. Okay, this one, the top 10 holdings in this one, guys, is AbbVie. Okay, you have Progressive, you also have ExxonMobil, okay, Bristol Myers Squibb, Travelers, MasterCard, Hershey. Okay, and so these are just some ways, guys, you can begin to make sure that you are generating income while also being invested in quality. Okay, these are some of the best value stocks in the market, and the work has already been done for you. Okay, so do me a favor, if you don't already have these, consider adding them to your watch list. If you do have these, or if you want to add these, okay, on another 5% dip from here will be a great time to begin to dollar cost average your way into these. All right, with that being said, guys, I want to kick it off with AMD, ticker symbol AMD, sitting at $67.24. This stock was up over 5% today. If you haven't already, number one, please join us in the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. Number two, if you do not get my weekly options, okay, these are plays that are not in the Discord. Okay, this is just guaranteed money makers for those of you that want to operate at this level. Okay, AMD was our play of the day on today, and this play took off from what, $64 all the way to $68. Okay, $69 on today, of what we call around here easy money. Please tap into the weekly options for those of you that want to make more money with the plays. Okay, this one is up 5% today. Again, guys, understanding when plays are going to pop is key. On top of that, understanding where to enter them at is key. Okay, all of it goes hand in hand. This was a play that around 63, 64 we got in, rolled it up to 65. We called it a day. Okay, tomorrow we got some news coming out. Okay, so those type of catalysts can make this come down, but we will get a chance to rinse and repeat once the news is digested and the market is ready to go back up again. Boom, we'll be right back in this, riding it back up to the upside if the market wants to continue its momentum higher. Another banger we had, guys, was NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA, currently sitting at $156.44. Check this one out. They are brothers and sisters, or we call them cousins around here. Okay, they too were up 5% on today. Okay, you're gonna notice a trend with the bangers that I'm highlighting on today for you guys if you are willing and ready to make some money. Okay, this one did its thing as well, closed the day up 5%. At the height of the day was up around 160, just like other stocks that I tell you guys about. AMD, NVDA is also known as a runner. This is why, again, if you are trying to make money, if you're trying to grow your portfolio by trading options, these are great plays to do it with once you learn how to read a chart, once you learn how to enter your option plays, once you learn how to set a stop loss and how to exit your plays profitably. Okay, and then last but not least, guys, is Tesla, sitting at 119.89. This too was up nearly 6% on today. This one went as high as we had it touch 123 yesterday. I covered this particular play, guys, indicating that this would from 113 go to 116. Today in the Discord, I told you this would go to 119. Okay, because I can be more pinpoint accurate with my assessment once the date, like I say, trying to tell you guys all this information 24 hours in advance. Although I'm pretty much in the ballpark every day, I'm more spot on the day of, okay, in pre-market. Okay, and this one did everything we talked about and it went higher. So major salute to those of you that did your thing. You heard it here first, guys. I've been calling this play out. When they sleep, we eat, for a reason. Everybody is sleeping on Tesla, trying to short this to under $100 to $60. But if you don't understand market cycles, okay, you miss out on runs that are right in front of your face. And that's why I've been calling this play out since before anybody was talking about it, letting you guys know Tesla's about to run, guys. Tesla's about to rally. So major salute to those of you that are getting in your bag and making your money off of these call outs every single day in Tesla. Matter of fact, with us opening the door for 123 today by breaking through that 116 level, guys, tonight's video I'm going to cover for you where we're headed next. So like and subscribe so you get the notifications, and then I want to make sure you got the information you need so you can continuously make money on your journey. All right, with that being said, guys, check out this quick 30-minute chart. This is what I'll be going over with you in tonight's video, so be prepared for that. Class will be in session. I will be teaching you guys the importance of mastering multiple time frames on your journey. Okay, it's imperative if you're going to do TA. All right, that's what I specialize in. Technical analysis, meaning I can tell you where a stock will go to in both directions to a T. Okay, but I want to help you guys do the same because my goal is to teach you how to fish. Okay, that's all I'm here to do, and have a little fun with you guys on the journey. All right, with that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.